It would be really nice if you would like and subscribe to the channel.
This is just going to be a look at. It's just a cleaning brush. I'm just giving you a close-up look at the item. It's always nice to have one of these in your pocket, in your bag with your camera. Last minute. I also believe in carrying the microfiber cloths without the lint. This type of microfiber, which has no lint at all. These are the ones I carry. So let's open it up. See if I can just take it off. Okay, I just cut the top off and now close-up look of the item. I don't want to touch it because I don't want to dirty it. You know, reading the instructions sometimes help. Press the button here and you push up, and there's the brush. Cool. It's always nice to have one of these. And when you need it for your camera, even your iPhone, kind of brush the lenses. Or any phone, for that matter. All right, so that was let me cover it because I don't want it to get messed up. A look at. Info and purchase price and everything will be below. Thank you. Bye.
Please like and subscribe.